Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. What's about you?
Yes, I'm also doing great.
You sounds very sweet. Uh,
Thank you.
Abhi, yes, it's our second conversation. So let's again introduce each other.
Okay. I'm Shatabdi. I'm from West Bengal. I have done my graduation and post-graduation in English, and recently I have completed BEd also. And these days I'm preparing for competitive examinations. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like singing, dancing, and reading books the most. This all about me. Would you like to tell about yourself a little bit?
Okay, I'm Preeti. I'm a private school teacher, and I was born in Sirsa, Haryana, and brought up in different districts of Haryana. As my father was in police department, right now I have started my two YouTube channel. First is Easy Way to Learn with Preeti, that is English channel, and I make videos related to NCERT syllabus and some grammar topics. Nowadays, I'm uploading this type of conversation to grow myself. And second channel is Easy Way Vlog, that is entertaining channel, and I make videos related to dance and some vlogs on that channel. If I talk about my educational qualification, I have done my MBA, then MA English and BEd, and I have been in teaching profession from last 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like dancing, singing, sometimes singing, and gardening, as well as exercise also. So that's all about me.
Nice to hear. You're really doing great. So, ma'am, you have been teaching for 10 years. So, what is your experience in this field?
Yeah, every day I'm experiencing lot, and every day I'm learning something new from my students, from my colleagues, and from my surrounding. You can say wherever I'm working, I learned a lot of from every department. Not department, you can say school, from different.
Yes.
And right now I'm working in same school from last 3 years, and here also I'm getting a lot of from everyone. um, yes, students also a great teacher, you can say, for us, because we learn so many new things from students, because
Yes, yes,
they're different, and they are the students of new technology. So they teach us so many new things.
yes. And when you are a teacher, you get an opportunity to stay with the new learner. So, they know a lot of things, and you get to know from them too.
Yes.
So, I would like to know from you that what are the qualities a teacher should have, in your opinion?
Oh, in my opinion, I think a teacher should have a good motivator who
Mm-hmm.
motivates first himself, then students, and well disciplined, good communication skill, and very important, have patience. Because
Yes.
teachers in front of other students, we should have calm. Many times it happen with most of us. We lose temper because in every classroom there are different type of students, but we should calm on ourselves first. That is most important.
Yes. It's a great job. You have to be patient all the time.
Definitely, yes. Okay, Shabdi, please tell me, what are the three things that make you smile on your face?
I don't know. I like to smile. I don't know what is the reason behind it.
Any reason it means?
Reason. I don't have it. I don't need actually any reasons to smile.
It's happened sometimes because we are living in families, so many times we are facing different type of situations. Many times I experience it. If I'm feeling sad, and some tragedy, or you can say some bad experience at home, after getting to school, in front of other students, when I saw the different faces of students, immediately I got smile on my face.
Yes, it happens. True.
me, especially you can say a small kid that
Mhm.
smile on my face.
Yes, yes.
What do you see on as a strength? What is your strength and weaknesses?
I have a strength of problem solving.
Okay.
What can be my strength? And I feel like that I'm determined and dedicated. If I want to do something, I do that. So it's my strength, you can say. And weaknesses, it can be I cry a lot. Or maybe if somebody tells me a little thing, that time also I cry. So it's my weakness. I want to change this. I'm emotional.
Yeah. Yeah, most of females are emotional, you can say. We all are emotional, even male are also emotional, but they uh, they get the, you can say, what we will see, the parvaris bringing up. Yes, they never bringing up in this atmosphere that they easily explain in front of others. We always ready to explain our emotions, especially if we talk about females, but not male. You can say it's called a gender bias also, because if a boy is weeping in front of others, what we call, are you a girl? Why are you weeping? We give this type of statement. So it is
Yes,
a gender biasness. So emotions are in everyone, but we are ready to express. Right?
yes, yes.
Okay. Have you traveled anywhere right now? Uh,
No, ma'am. I'm
okay.
not going anywhere these days. So how many states you have visited in India?
Uh, in India, yeah, most of time I traveled. I go to tour only on school tour, you can say. Yes, because whole year we have no especially holidays during winter break. Only that winter break is only for students, not for teachers in school. And sometimes you can say in summer season also students get holiday, but not teachers.
Oh,
So we indulge most of time with students. It means you can say whole year revolves around school, school, and school only. If we are teaching in a private school, so I visited Jaipur, and Manali, Simla, um, Dharamsala, uh, Dalhousie, and not in west part. Yeah, I'm willing to visit in the West India, but I never got opportunity. So yes, and apart from these, I visited only in Haryana. That was a short trip.
okay. So, ma'am, I would also like to know from you that what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses?
Yes, my strength. I'm self motivated. Uh,
About it.
yes, and determined also. Uh, I always try to be positive in every type of situation, and yes, these are my positive points. I always think I'm very strong girl. And if I talk about my negative, yes, same as you, I also feel some time that I should not be so emotional, and I'm emotional.
I guess.
So sometimes I lose temper, sometimes. So I just want to control on that also, because I'm a teacher. So sometimes in front of my child, because in school I can't express my temper, my anger, uh, others, but it happen on with my son. I have a son, and most of time I talked and I express my temper in front of him. So that is my negative point.
Okay. So how old is he?
He is 13 years old and he's in 9th standard right now.
Okay, so how is he studying these days?
How? Oh, sorry, pardon.
Studying, how yeah, is he good at studying?
Yeah, he is very good in study. Yes, and you can say he is my manager, my editor of both channels.
Wow.
He, yes, yeah.
Okay.
Even he inspired me to start this channel, these both channels. So he's very good in technology. He's very good in computer as well as in study. Yes.
So you don't have to bother about editing videos or uploading videos.
About editing, but I want to learn now because I heard from Manju ma'am, from Survi ma'am, and some other tutors that they do their editing part themselves. So I just want to learn right now because in next session, from next session, my son will be in 10th standard, and that is board class. So I don't want to disturb him. So I will learn right now.
And you can learn on YouTube. Whatever you need, just you can search on YouTube. You will get everything. How to edit videos, how to make thumbnails.
But my schedule is a little bit busy, so I just want to do something in very fast. That's
Yes,
why.
yes, understand. And it takes time to learn all those things. How to
Yes,
edit videos and how to make thumbnails, how to add tags and all
yes,
these things.
tags
Takes
and
time.
thumbnails.
Yeah.
Any other question from your side? You can ask.
Okay. So, what are the good qualities you have? How would you describe yourself? What kind of person you are?
Uh, if I talk about myself, yeah, I'm self motivator and as well as you can say fully confident right now. I always try to be confident in front of others, and not only in front of others. If we know anything, I think we always be confident. So I have right now 10 years experience, so I'm fully confident in front of teacher students, and now I have no phobia to face camera also because I'm uploading videos and making more than 1 year. So
More than 1 year.
a lot of confidence. Yes,
It's been a long time that you have been making videos, so you have you are not facing any kind of problems these days.
yes. Now I'm not facing any problem, but sometimes only it's a time tendency. You can say I'm not getting much time to make a content first and then make videos related to the current contents and current demand of viewers. So
Yes,
it's a lack of time.
yes, yes. You are doing so many things at a time. So how will you manage? It's not possible for one person to do everything. And we should also avoid multitasking. We shouldn't do everything at a time. But if you can manage, then it's okay to do, isn't it?
Yes, but it's our part-time work, or you can say, even after, if we want to leave school and we want to leave any type of job, private job, it's a great platform. If we will do our journey continue on YouTube, it's a really great platform on which we can learn so many new things. We can teach to others also, and we can get fame, name, everything with the time.
True. Yes.
A great platform, really great.
So on which grammar topic you have made videos?
Yes, I made so many grammar topics videos. I started videos from what is sentence, and then parts of speech. Yes, I started my journey from uh, early childhood classes first. Yeah, for the beginners. I started first grammar topic of sentence, phrase, clauses, part of speech, every grammar topics. I think I have already taught.
Yes, and tenses, modals, all these things we have made.
Modal verb and notice writing, some writing skill topics also. And Sabri, from how many conversation sessions you have already taken with others?
I think it's been 60, 70. I hope so.
It means you are. Did you get any change in yourself?
Yes, definitely, ma'am. Definitely. I
From your,
can see.
yes, you can compare from first session to current session of you, right?
Yes. But I still there are a lot of things that I need to learn. I'm not able to working on my communication skills that way, in which way I want to work. I'm not that much time these days, so I want to give more time on my communication skills. I really want to improve my communication skills in a better way.
Same I am feeling because we are using just simple sentences, simple words, right? And if we talk about any expert tutors of English, they use advanced English. And
Absolutely.
yes, sometimes it happened with me also that if someone is speaking very fast, someone is using very advanced words of English, sometimes we get stuck there. It
Yes.
happens with me because
For
we
that, you
start
have to.
environment, yes. And most of places you can see we use our regional language. It is the effect of that.
Absolutely.
So it is not matter. First we can do continue with our simple sentences. Then with the consistency we will learn advanced words also. So any other?
Okay. I don't have any questions, ma'am. If you want to ask any question, you can.
So should I think we should stop this conversation right now. It's 17 minutes conversation, and we for next conversation we will definitely choose one topic. Okay, soon we will meet again. So I feel very nice, and it is very nice experience to conversate with you. Thank you so much, Tabdi, for giving me your time.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your valuable time. I really enjoyed talking to you.
I
Definitely, we would love to meet again.
okay, Tabdi. Bye bye.
Bye.